Cooking. Do you like cooking? Yes, I do. What can you cook? I can cook Italian food. Can you make sushi? Oh, I can't. But my friend Seiko can make it. How do you make curry? I don't know. Do you overeat? Yes, sometimes I eat like a horse. I am on a diet and don't eat too much. This looks like a nice restaurant. Yes, it is. I come here all the time. Let's sit over there. Okay. Can you pass me the menu, please? Sure. What would you like to drink? I would like a glass of orange juice. What do you recommend to eat? Is good here? Okay. I can eat steak. I am not that hungry. I can eat a salad. Are you interested in Turkish food? Yes, I am also interested in spicy dishes. Do you like vegetables? Do you like vegetables? Yes, I do.